Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is session handling in Selenium. A Selenium session represents the active connection between WebDriver and the browser. When we create a WebDriver instance, Selenium starts a new session. All actions like navigation, clicks, validations happen inside this session. If the session is lost or invalid, commands fail with session related errors. Session handling is important because each test should run in a clean session. Sessions should be closed properly using the quit method. Reusing or leaking sessions can cause flaky tests. In real projects, proper session handling ensures test isolation, reliable execution, clean resource usage, and also parallel execution. Now, we will see the sample script how session handling is being done. Session is created first, then all actions like navigation, where we navigated to the Cogmento app, and validation happen inside this session. Once I press enter, this session will be completely closed and cannot be reused. When I press enter, the session is closed. So this explains how Selenium sessions are created, used, and closed.